Most creators struggle to go viral because they spend too much time editing and not enough time posting. Viral content isn't about perfection, it's about consistency and speed. ShortBeast AI templates makes this possible. Each template is designed to grab attention instantly, with strong visuals, captions, and pacing. All you have to do is give the AI your idea and the rest is done for you. This means you can test dozens of ideas in a week instead of just a few. And the more content you push out, the faster you increase your chances of going viral. Want to go viral faster? Use my link in the description and sign up for ShortBeast AI today.